Hey, what's up guys? Ben here at Ghostshield Epoxy Max, and we're here in beautiful Naples, Maine at this beautiful home that's right here on Long Lake. Let me tell you a little bit about the project we have going on here. They are building a custom home. Attention to detail is the name of this build. So we're installing a chip marble system in the garage. We're doing a chip marble system in their detached smokehouse. Yes, they have their very own detached smokehouse. This house has an elevator. They are sparing no expense. We're doing a moisture vapor barrier in the basement, so a lot of Ghostshield Epoxy Max happening in this property. We feel very privileged to be part of it. We're gonna give them a kick-ass floor. Let's go.